Often, we find ourselves trapped by negative beliefs about money and prosperity. These limiting beliefs can prevent us from reaching our full financial potential. However, it is crucial to recognize that we can overcome these barriers and replace them with positive and healthy thoughts about wealth and success. Believe that you are deserving of abundance and prosperity. Challenge the notion that wealth is reserved only for a privileged few. We all deserve to live a financially prosperous life. Recognize your abilities, knowledge, and talents, and believe that you have the right to thrive and enjoy the fruits of your hard work. Free yourself from fear and scarcity. We are often conditioned to fear money and believe that lack is inevitable. It is time to break free from this limiting mindset. Cultivate an abundance mentality where money is seen as a tool to create opportunities and fulfill dreams. Leave fear behind and open yourself to the possibility of a financially prosperous life. Harness the power of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more prosperity into our lives. Give thanks for the achievements you have attained thus far, the opportunities that have arisen, and the lessons you have learned. By cultivating a mindset of gratitude, you will attract more abundance into your life, and be open to receiving the financial blessings that the universe has in store for you. Enhance your financial skills. Knowledge is a powerful ally in the pursuit of prosperity. Invest in your financial education, seek information about investments, budgeting, financial planning, and other areas related to finance. The more you improve in this aspect, the more confident you will become in handling money and creating wealth. Take control of your finances. Do not wait for external circumstances to create wealth. Take the reins of your financial life, and be proactive in seeking prosperity. Create a financial plan, set clear goals, and take the necessary steps to achieve them. When you take control, you become the primary driver of your financial success. Create multiple sources of income. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky. Explore ways to diversify your income and create multiple streams of revenue. This not only increases your financial stability, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and prosperity. Embrace an entrepreneurial mindset, and be open to new ventures that align with your interests and skills. Develop an investor mindset. Besides generating income, it is important to make your money work for you. Develop an investment mindset, seeking opportunities to multiply your wealth. Learn about different types of investments, such as stocks, real estate, investment funds, among others. By becoming an informed investor, you will be on the path to building a solid foundation of wealth. Share your prosperity with others. As you progress towards prosperity, remember that your journey is not just about you. Use your abundance to help others, whether through donations, volunteering, or supporting meaningful causes. By sharing your prosperity, you not only make a difference in the lives of others, but also strengthen your connection with universal abundance. Believe that your prosperity can positively impact the world. As you pursue prosperity, remember that your actions and accomplishments can have an effect beyond your own life. By thriving, you become an example for others, inspiring them to pursue their dreams and unlock their own potential. Your prosperity can be a catalyst for positive change in the world. Open yourself to the limitless possibilities that life has to offer. Free yourself from limiting beliefs about money and prosperity. Believe in your financial potential, develop your skills, take control of your finances, and share your prosperity with the world. Remember that abundance is available to all, and you have the power to embrace your full potential and create a financially prosperous life. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you know someone who could benefit from the insights we've shared, please share this video with them. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.